A flashing red status indicator alerts you when there is a media path issue. Most common, the media or ribbon may be empty. The printer may not be closed correctly, or the cutter option may have a cut error. Open the printer and verify a ribbon out condition. Ribbon out reflector at the end of the ribbon roll. Remove the used ribbon roll from the spindles. Remove the ribbon core from the used ribbon. Place the empty ribbon core on the take-up spindle. Open the new ribbon roll and loosen the leader. Place the new ribbon roll on the supply spindle. Pull the ribbon leader up past the printhead and attach to the take-up core. Wind the take-up spindle towards the rear of the printer until the ribbon reaches the take-up core. Close the printer. Press the feed button several times to tension and align the ribbon before continuing printing.